Have you been sent a PDF document, like a contract letter, and you've been asked to input your signature, make some edits, and send it back, but you are not sure on how you can do it? Don't worry, in today's video, I am going to show you exactly how to get this done quickly and for free using a website called Searchda.com. I will walk you through the entire process step by step so you can do it easily on your own. And don't forget, I'll leave the link to the website in the description box below. Let's get started. Step 1. First, you have to open your browser and go to searchda.com, site PDF. And after you've done that, you want to, once you're on the website, click on the upload PDF file button on the home page. Next, you choose the document you want to work on from your computer system or from your phone. For example, I have a contract document I received via email some days ago, so I am going to select it. As you can see, the document has been selected. So once once the document is uploaded and is shown this way, you want to scroll down to that part where you are asked to input your signature. As you can see, this is the signature part, and this is the date part. For the date, you want to select text, this text on top, select it and come here and drop it, and then you write the date. So let me write the date, 28 December 2025. Now, for the signature part, if you want to select on this sign option, and there's a drop down where I can just add some of these signatures. Well, if you don't have an already pre-existing signature, just click on this plus signature. You can decide to write your signature. Just write your name. For example, my name is Ernest. Let's say my name is Ernest. And, it's going to give me some already predefined signatures. I can make use of any of them. But in the situation where I don't want this, I can choose to go for the second option, which is draw. When I click on draw, on this input area, you can just draw like your signature. Draw. I'm using my left mouse to draw this. So let's say this is my signature, and I can save it. If I save it and I put it here, as you can see, I can drag it down to fit in, so it's not too big. Move it. Or another option is you can upload an image of your signature from your system. If you have it on your system, you can upload and you're going to insert it. So let's say I'm going with this signature now. When I click on apply changes, as you can see, your task is processing, and I can click on download, and it's already downloaded. So let's open it. As you can see, we scroll down, you can see the signature, and we can see the dates that are inputted. And so, as you can see, it's super simple and it takes just few minutes. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. signing on it, editing PDF document doesn't have to be complicated, and SETDA.com makes it so easy. So if you find this video and want to learn more useful tips like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing content. Like this video if it's helped you, and share with someone who might find this useful. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.